What is good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Eddie, aka Inzane, and I appreciate y'all for tuning into another video. And I appreciate y'all for showing love on the last videos as well. But today we actually have some a little different starting off right now. We're actually about to go drop off the stock exhaust Supra that my homie Fernando, aka Blankface, let me borrow. He's the one with the white Supra with the carbon trunk and all that. Yeah, I'm actually about to go drop that off to him because he let me borrow it like way beginning of the rebuild. We thought we were gonna use it, but then the arcade titanium came, so we ended up not using it. Yeah, I gotta go drop it off to him so he can have it and I can have space in my garage to start putting the Supra in. But yeah, man, so that's what probably we're gonna do. Get our morning right. That's how we're gonna start it.
Alright, so we is on the way. As you guys can probably see behind me, you see that exhaust peaking like right there. So we is about to head over there right now. It is like a 20-minute drive on the freeway, but I just don't trust driving on the freeway with that thing on, so I'm just taking the streets all the way. So yeah, F all that. Because I do not want to risk this thing flying off or anything. I mean, I have a little strap on it, but I don't know if it's gonna do much, you feel me? So I'd rather just play it safe and take the streets. Remember when I told you I wasn't gonna take the freeway? I lied, I'm on the freeway. So we're gonna play this real safe and try to get there. Alright, we officially dropped off the exhaust and the homie Supra's like hiding behind right there. You guys can't really see it, but he hiding. He just got a dog too, bro. That motherfucker just kept jumping on me, man. Just kept jumping on me and trying to bite me. I was like, you better back up, son. What is good, y'all? Right now, as you can see, I'm in the Supra and I just got off of work, and right now I have to go pick up some shoes that I had bought. Good thing is like right by my job too, so I'm gonna go pick those up. Then I'm gonna go to the cemetery to go actually visit my uncle, since I haven't gone in like months, bro. Since the Supra's been gone, I haven't really gone and seen like or been over there. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go right after that to the cemetery, you know, show him the new Supra and shit. And yeah, bro, because it's been a long time, I haven't gone over there, and I feel bad every time I don't go, bro, just to visit. So yeah, we're gonna do that today. And I hope you guys are all having a beautiful, amazing day or night, whatever time you guys are watching this. Oh, I just scraped crazy right now. Alright, bro, so just got here to the cemetery. You guys know, if you know, my uncle, and he's the reason why Inzane is a YouTube channel. Oh, my lemonade. Inzane is a YouTube channel. Like, that's what they used to call him, They all used to call my uncle Inzane and all that crazy stuff. And because he was just a crazy dude, you feel me? Been like a couple months since I came and visited, you feel me? So had to pull up today. I've been pushing it back, and I was like, I can't push it back today. I gotta come visit, show him the Supra, you feel me? And yeah, bro, it's crazy, bro, how life happens and shit. You lose loved ones, and it's like you just gotta keep going on with your days. And it sucks because that person's no longer here with you, and all you can really do is just hold on to those memories. That's pretty much it, you feel me? Until we meet again, type shit. Enjoy life, man, while you can. That ass. I try to, bro. I really do. I be like so in my head overthinking and shit, but I really just need to be out. Just live life and shit. Go on drives and all that. But I haven't gone on drives. I haven't even gone on a drive since I got my car back. Like, other than going to meets, I haven't gone on like a cruise, like a drive just by myself, like a late night drive. I haven't done that in a minute, bro, and I need to do that again. I just, there's a lot of things that I've stopped doing, which I need to get back to doing. I'm probably just rambling, bro, but you guys get my point, bro. You guys get it. Just live life. That's all I'm saying. Live life to the fullest as best as you can, bro, because you never know when you can go or when your loved one or someone can go. Enjoy time with them, everything, bro. Be in the moment, bro. Try not to be on your phone so much. Like, for real, just be in the moment with that person. Just enjoy a conversation. Because, bro, there's a lot of things that I regret where I wish I could come back and have so many more conversations with my uncle, bro. Like, it's crazy. But yeah, man. The Supra looks so damn good, bro. It is glistening, bro. It is glistening. Just look at the wheels and bro, this is like my favorite view right now. That it is so, oh my god, bro, that is so sick. This thing is just shining, bro, on anything right now. Like, bro, it looks so good right now in this lighting. I can't get over it, bro. It looks so good. You guys also want to see, I went to Shoe Pugs, you know, that's where I get my shoes. Some of my shoes, not all of them, but most of them. I saw these that they had online and I had to cop, bro, because, bro, look at this colorway. I just love this brown, white, and pink colorway, bro. Like, this is hard. This is hard. They call this the bacon. I like this colorway, the brown and all that, the pink. I love all that. This is fire. So I had to cop, bro. And the low-key is a women's shoe, but I got it my size. You know what I mean? Fuck it. The steering wheel looks so sick with the paddle shifters. Damn, bro. It looks so good and it sounds so damn good, bro. Hear this. Oh my god, bro. The titanium intake sounds so good. Dude, it sounds so good. Oh my god. Oh, we're about to put in the sport mode now. We got a tunnel. We got a tunnel coming up. Damn. Loud as fuck. Bro, and I'm like short shifted like a mug, bro. Alright, now we're recording. We's on this. I got more of the steering wheel and all that looking up now, and then we gotta start this, so. And I think I got it. But I don't think I'll be able to move it around. Oh, I could. Alright, we're gonna start it off in regular comfort mode. Hope it's not too windy either. It's not windy right now, so it's actually really good weather. This is just regular comfort mode, bro. Oh, and I'm like shifting at 4,000 RPM, 3,500. There's like a nice little back spots that I've gone here before. Bro, I haven't been back here in like, whoo, in like months. I want to say since the Camry. Got a nice little spot right here for barbecue and grill. This isn't the best roads, and we ain't even where I'm talking about yet either. This is just the beginning to get to where I need to get to. I just hope there's no cars going towards where I'm going, because it's a very tight spot, bro. It's like so tight there that I just really hope no one's on that road. not to talk so much either because I want you guys just to enjoy the sound and everything. Hopefully it's not windy or anything like that. Bro, it's really loud. God damn. This spot used to be open, bro, and there used to be like, so we all used to just park here, chill all throughout high school, and then they put these damn things up because I'm pretty sure neighbors were complaining and all that because people were just chilling here till like 3 a.m. But that used to be the spot, bro. If you know, you know. Smell my tires. It was squatting. Like I said, not the best roads. Crazy how people live here too, bro. Like, what? Bro, watch when we go to the back, bro. Like, oh my god. Now that spot is way more crazy. Damn, bro. Not even in sport mode either. That's what's insane. Alright, so this is usually where it kind of ends right here. This is where like, oh, you just kind of chill and park over here. But over here, when we make a right on this stop sign, this is where everything begins. Like, everything's so tight, everything's so like sharp, the corners and everything, no rails guarding you. So yeah, I think we're about to go through this right now. So caution, sharp curve, steep grade, no truck traffic, speed limit 25. I'm telling you, bro, I've gone here and bro, it's very tight here. Trust me. Alright, y'all. So this is where it starts. Blind codes, curve ahead. Just so you guys can see this, bro. Look, you can't see anything from this side, bro. You guys see this? Holy shit! I haven't been here in a minute, bro. Oh my god. I'm lucky I have a small car, bro, because if you have a big car, you cannot go through here. Right here, bro, this spot used to be the spot. I remember the homie got stuck here. Look at this turn, bro. Oh my god, bro. You guys not see this though. Yeah, we're
going back into regular mode, normal. That shit was too loud, bro. As you guys can see, why I'm like babying the shit out of these corners. Oh my gosh. As you guys can see. Damn, bro. That video is so long, but it's so fun. Alright, now we're in the residential area. We gotta play it safe now. Be safe, be safe. The freeway. I want to see how well the S360 does up here. Hopefully it don't fly off, bro. I'll cry. For real. Shout out to that kid, bro. We still in comfort. I've been driving in comfort majority of the time. The only time it goes into sport mode is when you guys hear the loud ass pops. Bro. Alright, now we're back into regular mode. Damn, bro. Yeah, I've been real quiet, bro, because I just been wanting you guys to enjoy it, hear how it sounds and everything like that. Hopefully the audio captured everything pretty good. You feel me? Hopefully the Insta360 sounds good and there's not too much wind noise. So we're about to, well, we'll find out when I edit. That's pretty sick though.